Welcome! In front of me I have a Huawei Watch Fit 2 and I'm gonna show you how to update the applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to update the applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with the phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Huawei Health application on our phone. In the application, let's tap on Devices icon. Then select our Huawei Watch Fit 2 from the list. And on this page, scroll down and find the App Gallery option. If you're missing the App Gallery and Watch Faces options, it could be because when you were installing the app, or rather when you opened the app for the first time, you selected a region that doesn't support the features like Watch Faces and App Gallery. For example, I'm pretty sure if you select United States as a region, you won't see these options. Basically, they will be disabled. I selected the United Kingdom and I can access them. So if you're missing the options, I recommend to reinstall the app, select different region, and hopefully that will fix your problem. Okay, now let's tap on the App Gallery option. Here, tap on the Manager. And as you can see, we have the updates list and we have one update available. To update the petal maps, simply tap on the update button. And let's wait until the application is done updating, of course. And once the application is done updating, it's gonna disappear from this list. And now you can close the app. Like this. And that's how you update the applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.